Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can change the size of objects and items in your designs on Canva. So let us get started. Alright guys, so head over to your project or design on Canva. So let me go with that page of the presentation here for the sake of this tutorial. And let me click into that object here, that circle, and move it here to the center of our page. So guys, there are basically a couple of ways how you can resize objects. The first option would be to simply left click into it, and after that you'll see that box bounding it, as you can see, with these edges and corners. So you may simply click on one of these edges or corners and simply drag the given edge or corner to adjust the size of the given object, like that, or like that, or like that. So if you'd like to keep the aspect ratio of the given object, you may simply press left shift on your keyboard and click on one of these corners, and after that simply resize your image or your object like this. So that's one option, guys. The other option would be to simply press and hold Alt on your keyboard and again click on one of these edges, and while doing that you will be given the opportunity to resize your object while having that object centered or without moving it to another location, just like that. And the third option would be to click into position here at the top while having your object selected, and to select your custom item width or height here to the left in pixels, for example. You may also change the aspect ratio here, or may rotate it, and so on and so forth. So if I, for example, change the width to, let's say, I don't know, 700, and the height to, let's say, 1200, it will be adjusted automatically, as you can see. So that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.